Hey everybody, a lot of people are asking me questions about how to get to the lessons. I've hidden everything in Unit 1 besides this link right here because this is the only link you should be clicking on. So you click on the begin here and then everything that's on your pace chart lives in this 1.1 section. Okay, this is the only section you're going to click on for the next couple of weeks. And today's item is to do the pre-assessment, which is that quiz that we talked about that's going to come together. It's not so much a quiz, it's just trying to determine what you already know. And once you have finished the pre-assessment, you're living in this little box here. It will automatically pop up. I'm going back because I'm not going to finish the pre-assessment. It will automatically pop up My Learning Path. This My Learning Path is the most important thing you're going to be looking at because it will determine which units you tested out of, and you're going to match those My Learning Path units with the topics for every day on your pace chart. So let me go back to the pace chart real quick. All of the topics, I need to go to the home page instead. All of the topics are in the pace chart, okay? So today's thing is the pre-assessment that I just showed you. And then these right here, place value, names for whole numbers, rounding, comparing, adding, those are all examples of the topics that are going to be part of your unit. So let me go back and show you one more time. We're in content. We hit only the begin here lesson link, okay? You're taking the pre-assessment, which will create your learning path. The unit is made up of all those things that are on your pace chart, but you might already know how to do place value and names for whole numbers, so you might not have to do that day's lesson if you test out of it. So you want to make sure you have to click on the lesson link, and you have to do the pre-assessment first. Then the learning path will show you, hey, what do I have to do tomorrow? What do I have to do the next day? Are there any ones that I don't have to do because they're not on my learning path? So every day for the next couple of weeks, you're going to be in this 1.1 section. You're not moving from there for a while. Once we get to this practice simulation, that's the tutor sim that's written on your pace chart. So that's not for a long time. And then this is the unit project and quiz that's not for a long time. Okay. So those are separate things. We're not even going to look at those because we're not going to get started on them until we have finished everything that's living in here. And it's a lot. So do your pre-assessment today and then your learning path will show up. Okay. Thanks. Let me know if you have questions.